We are at our workshop, and these are our end face milling machine in stock. Some are sold and some we make it in stock. This is the main machine, the base and the column. This one milling head is not installed, so it is like this. And this one is CNC type. I think this one is 1.2 meter by 1.5 meter CNC type. And this is the milling head. This one. Here is the cutter. You can see this one is blade, and this one and the screw also needed for the blade clamping. And these are the supporting rack for the beam. You can see electrical cabinet here. Finished, and this one not finished under assemble.